Ini kawasan Lurah Semantan hari ini 7 hari bulan Februari 2023. Paras air Sungai Pahang tinggi juga paras air. Ini dia aras Sungai Pahang. Sudah pun tinggi. Setahu saya air telah pun naik dengan mendadak sejak semalam. Sebab saya diberitahu semalam paras tidak tinggi begini. Di jauh sana nampak gitu kan, jambatan lama tu. Bawah tu. Saya zoom sikit. Yang atas tu jambatan baru. Yang bawah tu jambatan lama. Bawah tu jambatan lama. Kalau zaman dulu jambatan akan ditarik lah. Jambatan Bailey itu dulu ada jambatan Bailey di sana. Di bawah sana. Jambatan itu pasti sudah tarik, jambatan Bailey itu. Dan semua kenderaan nak pergi ke Kuantan akan terkandas. Itu cerita sebelum 1971. Selepas banjir besar tahun 1971, kerajaan telah pun membina jambatan Sultan Ahmad Shah yang besar tu, atas tu. Selepas banjir besar tahun 71, jambatan itu dibuat. Pembinaan jambatan itu saya rasa mengambil masa sampai mungkin 5 tahun lah kot. So jambatan baru untuk warga Temerloh dan semua yang nak pergi ke Kuantan semua. Lori itu sekarang menghala ke Kuantan daripada KL lah. Dia menyeberangi Sungai Pahang. Ya, itu dia. Bawah tu ada jambatan yang lama tu, yang telah pun banyak dah roboh sebab banjir juga. Itulah Sungai Pahang. Air pun deras. Ya. Rasa-rasanya air tengah naik. Ya. Sebab gambar yang saya terima semalam tu, parasnya tidak setinggi ini. Tapi hari ini, selepas 1 hari, air tinggi. Ini menunjukkan oleh kerana hujan lebat yang telah selama 1-2 hari. Hari Taipusam 5 hari bulan, hari Ahad. Malam hari Taipusam tu hujan mula turun. Tak lebat, tetapi di tempat yang besar. So air pun telah naik. Ini kita tengok satu motorbot yang menyusuri Sungai Pahang. Dia sekarang pergi ke Sungai Semantan. Di sebelah sana saya rasa Sungai Semantan. Di kiri itu Sungai Semantan. Di bahagian kanan tu, yang besar tu, Sungai Pahang. Sungai Pahang tu daripada Ulu Tembeling, Jerantut dan sebagainya. Ini pula Sungai Semantan ni daripada Bentong, untuk makluman. Itu dia. Paras air Sungai Pahang ni. Banyak dah air ni. Hari ni 7 hari bulan Februari 2023. Itu dia, Temerloh, titik tengah Semenanjung. air Sungai Pahang tinggi. Air tinggi ya. Air Sungai Pahang di Temerloh. Parasnya tinggi. Itu dia. Saya sekarang ada dekat Esplanade. Esplanade yang di banner. Begitu cantik sekali. So kita boleh turun sampai sini ya, tengok sungai. This is Sungai Semantan and Sungai Pahang here. Okay, the left part is Sungai Semantan. Okay, this area is actually called Kuala Semantan. It's called Kuala Semantan because the river, the Semantan River that flows from Bentong, Karak, Lancang, okay, it meets Sungai Pahang here at Kuala Semantan. That is Temerloh. The old name of Temerloh is Semantan, and this is Kuala Semantan. Okay, Kuala Semantan here. This is said to be the early town of Temerloh, and it's called Semantan, based on the river's name Semantan and Kuala Semantan. It seems due to a big flood in 1926, the town that was situated here got washed away, and that's how the new town of Temerloh, or rather which is called Bandar Lama or Old Town, was established many years ago. Okay, today is 7th of February 2023, and this is the water level at Sungai Pahang. Okay, on the right side is Sungai Pahang. Sungai Pahang comes from Ulu Tembling, Jerantut. Okay, it brings a lot of water to Sungai Pahang. And Temerloh is the place where two rivers meet, or rather the Semantan River meets Sungai Pahang. This is Temerloh. Okay, landmark, the water is I should say the water is high. Compared to yesterday, the water is high. Because I did see the water. A friend showed me the picture yesterday, 6th of February. The water was not this high. But looks like the water has rose to a very high level today. Say within about 36 hours, 24 and 12, 36 hours. Okay, you can see in the background that is the old bridge, okay, the bridge that connects Temerloh town to Kuantan. Okay, on the left is Kuantan, on the right is Temerloh town or towards KL. You can see far close to the river. That was the original bridge built prior to 1971. Okay, you can see the cement there on the surface of the river. That was the original bridge. That was the original cement bridge. Okay, and people were commuting in that bridge. Those who want to go from KL to Kuantan those days, prior to 1971. Even before 1971, the bridge, due to earlier floods, gave way, and they connected it with a Bailey Bridge. There was a Bailey Bridge, and then in 1971, that Bailey Bridge gave way, and more concrete pillars toppled due to the heavy flood in 1971. The government decided to make this new bridge called the Sultan Ahmad Shah Bridge. okay, which was mainly using metal, made from metal, with a center concrete pole standing in the river, and it took a few years to build. I did witness the building of this bridge from 1971 to perhaps 1975 or 1976. Okay. February 2023, Sungai Pahang, Temerloh.